Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning Do Not Disturb mode on and off on the Apple Watch Series 10. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Do Not Disturb mode is a very helpful feature to use when you are at work or driving, among other things. When it is on, you won't get any notifications or calls to your watch. Note that when you turn on Do Not Disturb mode on your watch, it will also be turned on your phone. Tap the side button to open the control center. Scroll down and tap on the moon icon. Here you can choose between Do Not Disturb mode, work mode, sleep mode, and driving mode. You can customize these modes in the focus mode settings. Tap Do Not Disturb. Here you can choose between on for 1 hour, on until this evening, and on until I leave. On until I leave will make Do Not Disturb mode stay on until you leave the location that you are currently in. Tap on to turn on Do Not Disturb mode. When the icon is lit up blue, Do Not Disturb mode is turned on. To turn Do Not Disturb mode off, simply tap the moon icon again. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch tips and tricks.